Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Vivo V17 Pro and let me share with you how to change the video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app and first of all we have to switch to the video mode because currently we are on the photo one. So let's simply tap on the video. If you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now we can enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner, and as you can see at the very top we've got the resolution, 3 different options to choose from. Currently we've got the 720p option applied, we've got also 1080p and 4K. So basically all you have to do is to tap on the option you'd like to use. I will pick 4K for example. Alright, and as you can see right now it is highlighted, which simply means it has been applied, and from now on your device will record the videos in chosen resolution. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.